Hey, this is Supreet, and I'm gonna bring you yet another unboxing. Now, this product is absolutely amazing. Unboxing is gonna be simplistic in nature, but the product is going to be mind blowing. Now, let's cut open this box and see what do we have in this box. Now, you see this large unit, which is Samsung M7 Smart Monitor. Now I'm gonna tell you why this is smart. Look at this outer interface. Look at this outer body. Here you have some specifications mentioned, the model number, serial number. Then you have multiple ports over here, the USB ports. Good enough. Now the design behind the monitor looks very interesting. It's not plain, it's not smooth. You can see the Samsung branding over there, and over here you have place. Now let's attach the stand. So now this is how you attach the stand. There's a screw hole given over there wherein you can attach your monitor stand. Now there's yet another unit which goes just right at the bottom of this. So look at this. Now this is how you attach your monitor. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Now this is HDMI port, HDMI cable, and then you have HDMI port over there. This is the main cable, and the interesting part is this plug is huge. You may have to get an external adapter for that. Now this is a remote which is given just because you have a lot of options in your smart monitor. Like you can play media as well, you can play Netflix, you can play Amazon Prime, and many applications, many streaming applications. Now this is the screen, and it's gonna give you instruction to set up your monitor. Now let's do that and see how does it appear to us. Once you do the setup, this is how you can enjoy your smart monitor, not just for the work purpose but for the entertainment purpose also. You're gonna play various streaming applications. Now this is one such streaming applications called Korean movies. So this is showing up over there, and not just that, you have many more applications. You have, as I told you, have Netflix, you have Amazon Prime. All that you got to do is sync your Amazon Prime account, Netflix account, and whatever account you have with this device, so that the streaming becomes seamless. Now look at this, you have a lot of options over there. You have an option to play YouTube videos as well, which is pretty interesting again, and which has been frequently used, right? Not just for YouTubers, but as a layman, as a entertainment seeker, as an infotainment seeker. Now you can use YouTube videos to enhance your skills, to learn something, to enjoy music, whatnot, right? Now this is how you connect to PC. You have three options: Windows, PC, Mac, and then you can use Samsung DeX. Not just using HDMI cable, but you can connect your laptop to your monitor wirelessly. Now this is how the Visual Studio looks like when you connect to your monitor. The color is good, the output is good, even for the programmers like me. This monitor seems to be a very good package. Now you can relax for some time, watch your favorite applications, and then you can work seamlessly.